Okay, picture this. Your 40 turns deep into one long Claude session, and you realize you need to add one new rule. The obvious move? Edit the system prompt. And right there, quietly, you just threw away your entire cache, and your build jumps. Turns out, there's a one-line fix now. And honestly, it's kind of beautiful. So 2 quick things. In plain terms, your system prompt is the standing instruction you hand Claude up front. Be concise. You're a code reviewer. That kind of thing. It sits right at the top, ahead of every message. The second thing is prompt caching. Think of it as a loyalty discount. The first time Claude reads your long setup, you pay full price. Every turn after that, as long as the opening hasn't changed, Claude reads it from cache. Way cheaper, way faster. Hold on to that one phrase, though. As long as the opening hasn't changed. Here's the trap. Caching works by hashing your request from the top down. Tools first, then the system prompt, then the messages. And for a cache hit, that opening has to match your last request exactly. Byte for byte. So watch what happens when you edit the system prompt halfway through. You've changed the very beginning. New hash. And everything after it, all 40 cache turns, misses the cache and gets reprocessed from scratch. One new sentence, and you're paying full price all over again. Wild, right? For the longest time, that was the only way to do it. So here's the actual recipe. Instead of touching the system prompt up top, you append a new message at the very end of the conversation, and you tag it with the system role. It's right there on screen. Same authority as your original instructions, but it lives at the bottom, after everything that's already cached. Just a plain string, like any other message. And the instruction takes over from that point forward. Let me make this concrete. Say Claude's your code reviewer. Up top, you tell it, be concise. It reviews a function. You go back and forth a couple of times, all of it caching nicely. Then, mid-review, you realize every suggestion should really include type annotations too. The old way, you'd bolt that onto the system prompt and repay for the whole thread. The new way? You just drop a system message at the end. From now on, every suggestion includes explicit type annotations. Claude picks it up right away, and the conversation so far stays cached. Same review, new standard, no restart. And look, this isn't some trick I'm bending into shape. It's a real, documented feature, straight from the API docs. Add or update system instructions partway through a conversation, without invalidating the cached prefix. One detail worth catching. It's on the latest Opus only, and, nice touch, there's no beta flag to flip. It just works out of the box. Now here's the part that flipped it for me. Because that new instruction sits after everything else, the opening is still identical to last time, byte for byte, so the cache still hits. Those 40 turns? Read from cache, like always. The only thing Claude processes fresh is your single new line. Same instruction, same system-level weight, none of the cache mistacks. You changed the rules mid-game and paid almost nothing for it. That's the whole magic trick. So when do you actually reach for this? A handful of moments. 1. A policy change mid-session. Halfway through, you decide every database query has to be parameterized from here on. 2. Context that needs to carry real weight. A deadline, a freshness note, something the model has to treat as an order, not a polite suggestion. 3, and this one's clever, a tool result that should change behavior. Your tool reports the customer is on the enterprise plan, so Claude quietly stops pitching the consumer upgrade. And 4, flipping on a mode that grants standing permission for the rest of the session. Same move every time. New rule, dropped at the end. Right, a few guardrails before you run off with this. It can't be the very first message. The top slot is still for instructions that apply from the start. It has to follow a user turn, and you can't stack 2 of them back to back. And once you've sent one, don't go back and edit it. That rewrites history, and, you guessed it, busts the cache all over again. Need to change it? Just append a fresh one. One last thing, and it matters. System-level priority is not a security boundary. A clever instruction doesn't magically make untrusted text safe to trust. Data is still data. Use it well. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.